Ah, the ultimate Italian-American comfort food is BeefARoni. Hey cookers, there's no need for hamburger helper or jarred spaghetti sauce. I'm taking BeefARoni to the next level with fresh onions, peppers, diced plum tomatoes, Italian seasoning, and well-seared ground beef with some crushed tomatoes. Growing up, it was often hamburger helper, or at the best, Mom browned some hamburger meat, opened a jar of ragu, and mixed it in with some cooked macaroni. Boring. I mean, that stuff would get old fast. I just take a pound of hamburger meat and brown it in my 12-inch Ninja Never skillet. I sear it up good for next level beef flavor, then drain the fat. Add some diced onions and diced peppers, and then add them to that nicely seared beef. Saute them for a few minutes to get them sweating a bit. Stir in those diced plum tomatoes, and then I add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a couple tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Saute for a minute, put a lid on it. Let that cook for about 3 minutes. Stir it. Don't that look good? I'd eat that right there. But dinner must go on. Add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and then add a can of water to it and stir it up a bit. Let that simmer for 5 minutes. Add 8 ounces of your preferred pasta right in the pan. That pasta will soak up all those flavors and add its own flavor to everything else. Together, they are wonderful. Cover and cook till the pasta is the way you like it. That looks good right now, but we're going to add about a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese, or even more if you like. Cover that until the mozz melts. That looks so good and smells even better. We have fun.